Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. We're going to do our daily technical analysis update of uranium. We'll take a look at the charts. I'll give you my financial opinion, and we'll get in there and let you know what I see in the charts. So this is the uranium futures contract, up a little bit. We're at $49 is what we've got here posted on the futures. Looking at the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust, going to the daily candlesticks, things are looking, they're looking better. We have a hammer candlestick posting this past session. We're still above this support line. So things do look like it wants to try to bounce here to the upside. Again, the buyers have to show up and they have to come in and buy and push it to the upside. But it looks like they're trying to. URNM getting a nice good bullish engulfing here. That is bullish for us to move higher. We are also on the support support line. So it's looking like it wants to try to make a run here. We'll see if the buyers come in. And again, this doesn't mean that the next trading session will necessarily be higher. What it means is there's just a statistical probability that this is a reversal pattern where we could potentially head higher over the next trading days, week, or whatnot. So that is positive. Looking at Camco also has that we're on support. It's got a bullish engulfing. That does look like we're trying to put in a bottom and turn and head higher here. Bannerman, same thing. We have a bullish engulfing on support, looking like it wants to go higher. We've got Goviax, another bullish engulfing, ready to go higher. Global Atomic, getting a little bit of buying pressure today, not anything there. Forces Metals moving sideways. Pierpoint right at support with a hammer candlestick pattern. Deep Yellow right on support, getting a little bit of buying pressure today. Paladin getting the hammer candlestick. We've got Sky Harbor getting the hammer candlestick. So we get some hammer candlesticks. Sometimes that can be a short-term reversal pattern. The bullish engulfings are definitely short-term reversal patterns. So we're seeing it across the board. Just a down day in Canalaska. This is Next Gen Energy is getting the bullish engulfing. That looks like it wants to go higher. It's on support. This looks like a good area to be looking at it. Baseload Energy bouncing off support. Update today. Fission 3.0 right on support. We've got Fission Uranium Corp right on support with a little maybe hammer candlestick. We've got Kazatomprom with a bullish engulfing. Could potentially go higher there. We've got Peninsula Energy moving sideways. Boss Energy moving sideways. Consolidated Uranium with an update above support. We've got Lotus Resources, bullish engulfing, ready to go higher. That looks good. Uroy putting in a bullish piercing right on the support level. Hopefully that can work its way higher over time. Encore Energy just moving sideways. It does look like we've got momentum lower here, momentum sideways here, and we're just waiting for the buyers to head on higher here. That's what it looks like in a lot of these. We're starting to put in these bullish engulfings. Has it? All that stuff, right? That's a bullish engulfing looking like it wants to go higher. URG looks like it's slamming on that support zone or support line. UEC putting in the bullish engulfing, looking like it wants to go on up. LEU getting a little bit of buying pressure here. That's looking better. This has already broken its downtrend line. This looks fantastic if the buyers want to push it higher here. LTBR going sideways. ISO Energy getting some more buying pressure down at support. Appia just moving sideways with a nice big hammer candlestick. It does look like we're trying to turn around here. Denison Mines getting some more buying pressure right on support. Hopefully that continues. Blue Sky Uranium getting the hammer candlestick, dropping the hammer. Forum Energy Metals getting the hammer candlestick. Hopefully we can start moving up. AEC is sideways. Laramide hammer candlestick, which could be bullish in the short term. Western Uranium Vanadium getting the hammer candlestick. UEXCF getting a bullish engulfing. That could go higher. Mega Uranium getting some buying pressure. That's good. I like seeing this buying pressure. ALX hammer candlestick, Valor Metals moving sideways, and the rest are Australian based. But overall, guys, it looks good for uranium. We're putting in some bullish engulfings on some of the candles. We're on support. We're getting some buying pressure. It's starting to bounce. Overall, if the buying pressure continues, I mean, well, hopefully it continues, and we can start to move on up. But and when looking at I'm just going to pull up the S&P 500 real quick. I'm willing to bet, there it is, a hammer candlestick, which is basically a bullish engulfing, which could potentially head higher. So they're all trading in tandem. NASDAQ looks like that's got it too. Yep, little bullish hammer candlestick. So it's all interconnected, all intertwined with money flows in and out of the system. So if we see a bounce in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, I think we're going to follow suit. We'll probably bounce harder, longer, all that stuff if we get this bounce. So to me, it looks like uranium's trying to turn the corner here in the short term. Now it's up to the buyers to show us that, how much power they've got and how big we can move this thing. If you guys like this analysis, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the website, the Platinum membership in the description link below. We'll do a question and answer session here coming up soon. I'll put that time frame, the timing on the website for the Platinum members if you guys want to join and go to that question and answer session. And I'll get that all figured out here very shortly. All right, guys, that's all I've got for today. We'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.